Are you tired of not making enough money, of struggling financially? Are you ready to have more money in your life? Look, I grew up very poor, broke, starved. I was starved for a week every month for years. I didn't have shoes big enough and my feet hurt. I didn't have clothes. I didn't go to the dentist. I was sick all the time. I mean, it was difficult. But I figured out why my life was that way and why it repeated into my 20s, and how to remove those repeating patterns so that I could then live the life I wanted to live. I moved into the top 1% of professional speakers on the planet, became a published author, live really a dream life. I do whatever I want and I go wherever I want. Like J. Paul Getty said, success is being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and you deserve to have that too. It shouldn't just be me that can get out of hell. Everyone deserves to have money, everyone deserves to be abundant, and now it's your turn. Just for a limited time, I'm giving away a free training, Why Your Life Is the Way It Is, Ending Repeating Life Patterns. You're gonna see where these money patterns are coming from, at least some of them, if not all of them. And that's the beginning of making that breakthrough and being able to change your money blueprint, your money patterning, your money thermostat, so that money comes to you easily. One of my clients who's no longer struggling with financial problems, she told me, Arnoux, what you said made so much sense. The money is there. It's just that there's these blocks in the way. And once you remove them, the money comes in. I want to show you how to do that. Click on the link below. Get started with my webinar, Why Your Life Is the Way It Is, Ending Repeating Life Patterns. It's totally free for a limited time. I'll see you there.